Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you have been looking for a reliable way to secure your internet connection, bypass network restrictions, or set up a custom VPN tunnel, you are in exactly the right place. In today's highly requested tutorial, I am going to walk you through the entire process of creating a free SSH account and setting it up seamlessly on the HTTP Custom VPN app. This method is incredibly effective, and I am going to break down every single step, so even if you are a complete beginner, you will be able to follow along easily. Before we dive into the setup, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech guides. Let us get started. The very first thing we need to do is generate our server credentials, which will act as the backbone of our VPN connection. Grab your phone, open up your preferred web browser, and tap on the search bar. Type in FastSSH and press enter. You will see a few search results pop up, but you want to click on the official FastSSH website link. FastSSH is a fantastic, reliable platform for creating premium SSH accounts for free. Once the homepage loads, you are going to notice a lot of different menus at the top for various protocols. You will see options for V2Ray, WireGuard, and ShadowSox. But for today's specific configuration, we do not need those. We are focusing purely on SSH over WebSocket. So go ahead and tap on the SSH menu to proceed. Using the WebSocket protocol is crucial here because it allows us to inject custom payloads later on, which is what makes HTTP Custom so powerful. After tapping the SSH menu, the page will load a list of available server locations from all around the world. Once you have decided, tap the Create SSH Server button under your chosen flag to move to the next step. You will now be redirected to the account creation form. This part is very straightforward. Scroll down until you see the username and password fields. Go ahead and type in any username you like, and then enter a secure password. Just make sure it is something you can easily remember or copy. Below the password box, it is very important that you check the Google reCAPTCHA box to verify you are a human. Once you get the green check mark, tap the Create Account button. Now, just hang tight for a few seconds while the website generates your server. Once the page refreshes, you will see a success message containing all your crucial server details. You need to copy this information. I highly recommend copying the IP address, your full username, the password, and the provided payload if the server lists one, and pasting them into a notepad app on your phone so you do not lose them. Now that we have our server completely set up and our credentials ready, we are going to move on to the second phase, setting up the HTTP Custom application. Press the Home button on your device and open up the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top and type in HTTP Custom. Now that we are on the main interface of HTTP Custom, it is time to input the details we got from FastSSH. Look at the Account field on the main screen. This is where you need to enter your IP address, your username, and your password. It is very important that you enter these exactly as they were provided, in the correct order and format required by the app. Take your time here, because even a single missing letter or space will prevent the VPN from connecting. In addition to your credentials, you might want to use a custom payload or a proxy to bypass specific network firewalls. If you have a payload ready, this app makes it incredibly easy. Just navigate to the Settings or the Payload section on the main screen, paste your custom payload code into the text box, and apply your proxy settings if you have them. Once everything is perfectly in place, make sure to save your inputs so you do not lose your configuration. All right, the moment of truth. Everything is configured and we are ready to test our custom VPN tunnel. Look down at the bottom of the screen and tap that big Connect button. Once you press it, the app will start initiating the handshake with your FastSSH server. To see exactly what is happening behind the scenes, all you have to do is simply swipe right on your screen. This will bring up the live connection logs. Here, you can watch the app inject your payload and authenticate your credentials. What you are looking for is a HTTP/1.1 200 OK message, or a status that says connected. Once you see that, congratulations! You are now securely connected to the internet through your very own custom SSH tunnel. Before we wrap up, let me show you one of the best features of HTTP Custom, saving your configuration. If you want to use these exact settings later or share them with your friends, tap on the plus icon located on the screen. Select the option to save the config. A menu will pop up asking you to enter a configuration name. Type in something recognizable. Here, you also have the option to lock the configuration. Locking it is great if you are sharing it, as it prevents other people from seeing your private payload or account details. Make your choices, tap Save Config, and the file will be permanently saved directly to the HTTP custom folder on your device's internal storage, ready to be imported anytime. And that is exactly how you create and set up an SSH WS account on HTTP Custom. If this detailed guide helped you get connected, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want me to cover different VPN apps in the future. Do not forget to subscribe and check the description for all the links and our social communities. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe online, and I will see you in the next video.